Hey guys, Melissa here from Farmhouse Chic, doing a little decluttering video today. This is my junk drawer. And trust me when I say junk drawer, I mean junk drawer. So here we go. Some of everything, and it goes way back. So I'm going to get to decluttering it, get it organized, and I'll be back. Okay, I've only been working about 5 minutes. I'm being really quiet because it's early Sunday morning and everybody is still asleep. So I thought I could find something to do that was kind of quiet. So far, this is what all the stuff I found, and I'm breaking it up into categories. Like, for instance, keys. I have no idea where those keys go to. Keep buying super glue. And I already had super glue. So anyway, here is a start. This right here is the trash I found so far. A little lock. Have no idea what the combination is to it. Some old reward cards and just some junk. So that's the trash so far. Alright, just a quick update. And look, this comes from the drawer opening underneath the cabinet. All those little specks are coming off the inside of the cabinet here. Gotta clean that up. Alright, be back shortly. Update. Still only been working on about 10 minutes and I've gotten this far. Why do I need all those keychains and all those band-aid holders? Who knows? And look at the paper clips. Alright, check back in with you in a few, guys. Drawer is cleaned out. What I did was I grouped. This is all office supplies. That's all the trash, some old menus and stuff that are no longer open. Keychains, electronics, band-aids, knickknacks. Found my good pair of crafting scissors. A whole bunch of just tools and stuff that need to go in the laundry room. Batteries. And some more tools. And a few things that need to go to the bathroom. So I'm going to put up the things that need to be put away. And reorganize the drawer to things we do need. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, here is the finished product. Counter open. Everything put where it goes. Drawer empty. But what I've decided to do, since I have so much room left, I have this jumbled cabinet. So I may move all of this stuff into here. And since I only need a little junk drawer, move all my junk stuff into here. So we'll see. Okay guys, all done. So all my junk stuff is well organized. Menus, band-aids, my little fan, little quick card game, quick measuring tape, car charger, some stamps, sticky notes, plenty of ink pens, super glue, paper clips, things for the refrigerator, and batteries. So we got this drawer done. Still have room to throw more junk. So then I moved everything over here. This is stuff I use for baking, not something I use all the time. But this is plastic silverware and just some chip clips and a wine bottle opener, my thermometers for baking, cookies and candies, my egg cutter, best thing in the world, my little easy open can, all my little different size biscuit and cookie cutters, my choppers. That is to close peanut butter jelly sandwiches or tarts or whatever you want to make it with. And then just in the back is my extra toothpicks, some caps, a strainer. So that is it. This is my organization product. This is my organization project for Sunday morning. Since I was doing the organizational stuff today, I thought I would show you my fridge. Getting ready to make a trip to Aldi's. So just cleaned it out. It is empty. But you can see how I organize it. That's just cheeses and fatback and bacon stuff that I use. In this drawer, I keep applesauces and snacks. This is just like some seasonings and lemon juices. This one is actually overflow. I keep cinnamon rolls, biscuits, crescent rolls in there. And then here I keep our sandwich bin. So our cheeses, mustards, mayonnaise, anything to make a sandwich, you just pull this out and you make your sandwich. Leftover eggs down in here. This is just all my butter, so that's butter back there. And then tubs and a squeezable. And then behind there is just my pancake mix, biscuit, and cornmeal. I don't like to leave that in the pantry because don't want bugs and stuff to get in it, so I keep that in the fridge. And then this bin is our condiment bin. Just barbecue sauces, ranch, pickles, jelly, stuff like that. Down here, it's completely empty. Just cleaned it out. Got rid of the old stuff so I can bring in new stuff. In the door here, I just keep like bacon bits and other little things, condiments from like restaurants and stuff, but I just went through it and cleaned it all out and threw them away to start fresh. This little is just some of our medicines. It's just some of our medicines and stuff like that. My bacon fatback grease, just a couple snacks, pickles, and creamer. Second row is just where we usually keep juices, milk, tea. In the bottom is just random stuff like 2-liter Pepsis, vinegar, a bottle of wine. And that is it for the refrigerator part. And I will show you an after when I get back from Aldi's and it's full. Okay guys, here is my organized freezer and ready for me to go to the grocery store. Of course, that's the ice maker, ice cream. And in this bin, it's just fish sticks, pizza rolls, french fries, steakums, quick foods. Down below here is my food for the week, my meats. We also have a refrigerator outside, which I have all my bulk meat, extra overflow stuff in. And I just have some frozen chicken, some hot dogs, hamburgers, stuff like that for the week. And in this bin, I keep all my frozen vegetables. Corn cobs, anything like that goes in here. So this is pretty well stocked. And then in the door, this is all of our freezer, our cooler things to keep the coolers cold. And this is an ice pack. So pretty well empty, cleaned out, got rid of stuff that we didn't need or had been in the freezer too long, and getting it ready for the grocery haul. Alright, see you in a few. Alright guys, this is the finished product. Wish I could have showed you my Aldi's haul, but I had a couple stops and I was afraid that my food was gonna unthaw or get too hot because it is really hot out there today. So I went ahead and put it up, but you can see I didn't add a whole lot. If you've ever been, if you have an Aldi's near you, definitely be sure and check them out because they are so worth the prices that you pay. Right now they had milk for $1.55 a gallon and eggs for $1.05 a dozen. So like I said, we have another refrigerator outside where my overflow goes. This is just what we're using on a weekly basis. You see I put in some extra new baking soda in the top and the bottom. The top shelf here I just really use for leftovers. I do have my bacon in there right now, but that's some leftover pizza from last night. But then I put this drawer. I just have some little cheeses and things in there. That didn't change, didn't buy anything like that because I had a plenty. I did buy some crescent rolls and some biscuits and some more lunch meat. And then on this bottom shelf at the back I have an extra butter, 2 things of grapes, and my extra eggs are actually outside in the refrigerator. This drawer is some celery and some green beans. And this drawer is our salad drawer. This is cucumbers, tomatoes, and lettuce. And guys, all of that comes from Aldi's. In the drawer, not much different. My extra milk and everything is outside. I will tell you, these were $1 and something. I saw real good reviews on these on Facebook. I saw real good reviews on these on YouTube, so I thought I'd get those and try those. Alright, and I have a full pantry too. That's in the other room, but this is just a fridge organization. I want to show you. I spent about $115, and the other refrigerator is full of meat. So I got 2 packs of hamburger, pork chops, ribs, just tons, bacon, all this. It was $115, which is not bad, plus all the stuff in my other pantry. So anyway, this is the end of my video. Hope you enjoyed this organizational video for my kitchen. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know so I'll do more organizational videos. And maybe next time I'll be able to do a haul so you can kind of see what all Aldi has. Some things I still get at Walmart and Food Lion, but the majority of it comes from Aldi's. Alright, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Until next time.